Aloha kakahiaka. It has been 2 weeks since we departed Hilo, and we are on wrapping up day 14 of the voyage. It's May 2nd, it's a Monday, 2022, on our voyage of Keala Ikahiki. And just as anticipated, we had another beautiful day of sailing, good wind, good cloud cover conditions that allowed us to see stars for a good majority of the night. We were able to measure our latitude using Nahiku, specifically the stars Hikukahi. So our estimated latitude today is going to be between 9 and 10 degrees south. Our sailing progress was very good. No matter seemingly how strong or light the wind is, it seems to be pretty consistently allowing us to sail 6 knots. So our progress today is going to be at 1,785 nautical miles along our course. Maybe just a little bit to the west, an estimated 5 miles west of the reference course. Yeah, we had a really good sighting this morning of 2 Eva birds, which is really nice to see. And definitely feeling like keeping an eye out for other kinds of birds that might signify land now that we're getting very, very close to the latitude of the Tuamotus. At 14 degrees, those islands will be within 300 miles of our location, which is sort of the furthest you'd probably expect to see Manuoku. So we'll probably start to look for those more so tomorrow, but maybe a little bit today. But conditions are still nice. We're going to hold this line of Hakamalanai and continue to do so until the intended land sighting in a couple of days. Still think that's going to be 2 to 3 days out before that happens. In the meantime, we'll just try to hold this course. It does feel like the winds have lightened just a little bit. So we'll see what happens today. The cloud conditions have changed a little. It's not as clear and open as it's been the last couple of days. Yeah. Our mark for this morning will be navigating by the sun. Now that we've passed the latitude significantly from where the sun rises, it tends to arc in a much more northerly direction, so it moves quickly across the sky and will continue to do so as we head further and further south. So a lot of what we're using to navigate is going to be the winds and the wave swells. That's where we are today. Looking forward to more updates as we go along. We have a little bit of cleanup work to do on the canoe, so it's a good thing. It's a nice calm day, and hopefully you'll tune in again and follow us at Hōkūle'a.com.